Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your mathematics teacher. In previous video, I told you to express the linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c and finding the value of a, b and c. In that video, I also told you to check whether the given value is the solution of the linear equation or not. Now, in this video, I am going to tell you how to find the solution of linear equation. So, for that I have taken one question. Find 5 different solutions for equation 2x by 5 plus 3y by 10 is equal to 3. So, for this equation we will find 5 solutions. So, let us see how to do this one. So, solution 2x by 5 plus 3y by 10 is equal to 3. As you can see that this is in the form of fraction. So first of all we will convert it in the normal form. So we will take the LCM of 10 and 5. So it will be 10. When 10 is divided by 5 we get 2. So 2 into 2x it will be 4x. Plus 10 divided by 10 it will be 1 and 1 into 3y it will be 3y is equal to 3. From here when we do cross multiplication we get 4x plus 3y is equal to 30. So you can see this is in the normal form. From here we will convert it to get the value. So 4x is equal to 30 minus 3y. When we transport 3y to this side, our x is equal to 30 minus 3y upon 4. In this condition, when we will put the value of y, we will get the value of x. So, for finding the value of xy, we will put one value and we will get the value of another variable. So from here let us see how to solve or how to find the solution. Here we will put the value of y and we will get the value of x. So when or if y is equal to, let it be 2, so x is equal to 30 minus 3 into 2 upon 4, and this one will be 30 minus 6 upon 4, it is 24 upon 4. 24 upon 4 it will be 6. So you can see that when we put the value of y is equal to 2, we get the value of x is equal to 6. So our solution is xy is equal to, in place of x it is 6 and in place of y it is 2. So 6, 2 is the solution, one solution for this equation. Now we will find some more solutions. For now we will put another value. If y is equal to 6, then x is equal to 30 minus 3 into 6. In place of y we will put 6 and here it is 4. So 30 upon 6 is 18. 30 minus 18 upon 4. It will be 12 upon 4. Means 3. So in this case our solution xy will be 3 and 6, because y is 6 and x is 3, so 3, 6. Now we will put some more value for y. Let it is if y is equal to minus 2. Now we will put the value of y in negative. So x is equal to 30 minus 3 into, in place of y it will be minus 2 upon, here it is 4. So 30, 3 to just 6 and minus minus plus. So it will be 36 upon 4. And from here we get x is equal to 9. So in this condition our solution is 9 and minus 2. So we have found out 3 solutions. Now we will find 2 more solutions for finding 5 solutions. So now if y is equal to minus 6, then x is equal to 30 minus 3 in place of y minus 6 and upon 4. So it will be 30 and this one 6 3 is 18 upon 4. So this will be 48 upon 4. And from here we get 12 4 is 48. So x is equal to 12. So our solution is 12 and in this case y is equal to minus 6. So 12 minus 6. We have to always put the value of x first and after that the value of y. So this is our fourth solution. So now put the value of y is equal to 10. Put y is equal to 10. In this case x is equal to 30 minus 3 into 10 upon 4. Means 30 minus 30 upon 4. So it will be 0 upon 4 means 0. So in this case we got the value of x is equal to 0. So xy is equal to 0 and y will be 10. So 0 10. Now you can see our solution. This one first, this one is second, this one third, and here it is fourth, and this is our fifth solution. So for finding the solutions for the linear equation, you will have to put the value of one variable, and in that case you will get the value of another variable. Like this way you can solve any linear equation and you can find the value of x and y. That's all. Thank you.